Hello, family. It's 8 in the morning, guys. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. So I just gonna brush my teeth because I'm about to go to the gym right now. I'm saying this is a Saturday morning. Guys, we've been focusing the whole week, guys. We've been working so hard in the market. I'm saying, we've been killing the market, guys. So crazy. So I'm just gonna put on my shoes. I'm done taking a shower. So now I'm just gonna put on my shoes. And say I don't know which one should I choose, but this one is so comfortable for me. I love it. I love it so much. It's so comfortable. So after this, guys, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna go over the chart. We have a zone right here. We got some zone right here. You know what I'm saying? So after we go to some zone right here, you can see that the market has been trying to break up to the zone. The market has been giving some respect to the zone. So let me show you what the market has been doing. I'm just done checking the market. Now it's time to go to the gym. Let's go. Yeah, the gym is it's a little bit far, like 2 km away. So I have to drive. Here, baby. We're already here. It's time to pull up. Let's go. Yo, guys, I'm tired. But I must keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep pushing. So, guys, this is what I do on weekends. You know what I'm saying? When the market is closed, this is what I actually do. You know what I'm saying? Wake up in the morning, check the chart, go to the gym, come back in the building. This is what I actually do, guys. So make sure you do the right things, and I say keep pushing, keep grinding, keep learning. 2024 is coming a beautiful year for both of us. You must make sure you do something that is going to change you and your life living in 2024. You know what I'm saying? It might be like tough for you in whatever situation that you're going through, but remember, we always trying. You know what I'm saying? We always trying our best. So try your best. Guys, I'm just done gymming, you know what I'm saying? So now it's time to it's time to go find something to eat, you know what I'm saying? As you know, guys, I've been using too much energy, so I want to have my energy back, you know what I'm saying? Even more. So guys, it's been a while, guys. It's been a while ever since I went to the gym, you know what I'm saying? I don't have time, you know what I'm saying? I have, every time trading with the VIP team, you know what I'm saying? So it's not easy, guys. It's not easy. For real. Times like, yeah. So, but guys, remember, today's the weekend, guys. You must make sure you have something you're doing in the market where the market is closed. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you might be doing like a back test in the market, or you might be looking for the new opportunities for the next week, Monday. Because, guys, what I can tell you in the market, you must always have something that you're waiting for. You know what I'm saying? You must always have something that you're waiting for. You must know every single time, like, yo, GPJ2I, I'm waiting for it to get to the level, then I'm gonna buy it, or I'm waiting for it to get the level, then I'm gonna sell it. So every single time you must have a pair that you know that you're waiting for it to get ready, so that you can take the opportunity. Don't stay comfortable, guys. For real. This is our business. You know what I'm saying? This is our day life, you know what I'm saying? This is our duty, you know what I'm saying? So you have to make sure you got something that you're waiting for in the market. So go to the market, go to the chart, do back tests when the market is closed, so that you know as soon as the market open, you know which pair you're waiting for, alright? So I'm gonna go get some food, and I'll catch you guys later on. Peace. So let's go get something to eat, you know what I'm saying? And get myself some energy. I feel like I wanna drink some energy drink. So I'm gonna grab this one right here. I'm sure this is gonna give me the energy for real. I'm not that guy who drinks energy drinks, but today I feel like I'm gonna drink this one. Also got some KFC. Yes, sir. This is my day one. Not sure So guys, I'm here to meet someone at the mall. And then after this, I'm going out. Maybe I'm gonna go at the beach tonight. You know what I'm saying? On my way to Camps Bay Beach. I love it. This used to be my home. This is my home. This is my home, okay? This is where I belong to. My home. This is where I belong to. This is my home, okay? Hello guys, this is my home, you know? This is where I belong to. This is how the Cape Town looks like tonight. The most beautiful places in Cape Town. When you want to have a good time, you must come over here on the mountain. Good morning, guys. Today is a Sunday, guys, 8 in the morning, you know what I'm saying? The time is, let me check the time, you know what I'm saying? The time is it's 7 o'clock, you know what I'm saying? So yesterday we had a crazy day and a great day, you know what I'm saying, as a weekend, you know what I'm saying? You need to chill, you need to rest, you need to do things that you don't do during the week, you know what I'm saying? So, but always, guys, stay grinding, you know what I'm saying? So, guys, today is a Sunday, and today, what I do on Sundays, what I do on Sundays, guys, I wake up early in the morning, and I do these small things, small things, because there's some stuff like cleaning the house, doing some, this type of thing, you know what I'm saying? Because Monday, when the week starts, guys, I don't have time to do anything because I'm busy, bro. I'm busy trading with the VIP team and do some videos for you guys and stuff. So I'm very busy, like very, very busy during the week. So this kind of stuff I do them on the weekend, you know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do right now is the weekend. I'm just gonna wake up and go over the chart on the market. I'm gonna check every single trade that I've been winning. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna check every single trade that I've been winning. You know what I'm saying? Just to keep in mind the reason why I've been winning that trade. You know what I'm saying? This is what you need to do too. You know what I'm saying? If you lose a trade, go over the chart. I hope every trade that you've been losing, you've been keeping the note. You know what I'm saying? You've been keeping the note. You must keep the note. And then go over the chart. Check the reason why you've been losing the trade. You know what I'm saying? This is how you're going to upgrade your knowledge. You know what I'm saying? You need to check the reason why you lose the trade, or if you won the trade, you need to go to the chart. You need to go back to the chart and check the reason why you won the trade. How did you take that trade? And in a future trades, you're going to do the same thing. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I always do on the weekends. And I say, I'll go over the chart, check all the pairs that I've been winning. You know what I'm saying? All the pairs that I've been winning. And then I will keep in mind, like, yo, this is the reason why I've been winning this trade. This trade has been forming high, you know what I'm saying, high lows. This pair has been it was breakout from the trend line. This pair was double bottom. This pair was double top. This kind of stuff. You need to know everything. You know what I'm saying? And this is our business. You know what I'm saying? You need always to show. You need to show always the present to the business. You know what I'm saying? And the business is gonna be able to use to you since you use to the business. You know what I'm saying? And the business is gonna use to you. You know what I'm saying? So every single Sunday you can do that, because I know Saturday is not easy. When you've been watching the market Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I know you might be like, yo, I'm tired of being the chart. You know what I'm saying? Let me chill. All right, you can chill Saturday, and that's me. Saturday, I don't even want to see the chart, because I'm like, yo, man, it's a lot going on. I don't want to see the chart on Saturday. But Sunday, I always make sure I check the chart, and I always make sure I try to check the new opportunity that is going to be ready as soon as the market opens. You know what I'm saying? Because, my team, they want to make money, so I have to make sure, I check the chart, so that as soon as the market opens, I already know all the pairs, the movement for the whole pairs in the market. So guys, I'm gonna leave you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. So if you new to the channel and you feel like you wanna be part of the community, you know what I'm saying, you can join the free Telegram group. The link is on the description below. You can join the free Telegram group. Then once you want to join the team, it's all about you. Everything are on Telegram. You know what I'm saying? That's the only access you can be able to text me. Because if you text me on WhatsApp, for sure, I'm not gonna lie you, it's not easy. I'm not that much active on WhatsApp because the WhatsApp, yeah, has a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? There's these people they're gonna be like, yo, wanna talk to you? Come over here, this kind of stuff. You know, they wanna keep you busy. You know what I'm saying? And you're gonna find yourself in like, you're no longer in business. You know, just hanging around with your friends. But it's time to grind, guys. You know, grind. Think about tomorrow, guys. Think about tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Don't go with the friends, this kind of stuff. Think about tomorrow, bro. There is no friend that is gonna help you nothing by tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? The friend is gonna tell you like, yo, come over here. You know, let's drink, let's do this, let's go have fun. But tomorrow, bro, tomorrow you the one who's going to be suffering by your own. You know what I'm saying? So keep grinding. You know what I'm saying? Stay away from too many friends, because friends, bro, trust me, stay away from too many friends. Keep grinding. Do that thing, man. Do that thing. That thing that's going to change your life. Do that thing. Grind. For real. So guys, I wish you guys a good Sunday, and I'll catch you guys back tomorrow while the market open. I have a lot, guys, to share with you. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to be sharing every single move for the week. I hope you guys can enjoy it. So peace, guys. Peace out. See you on the next one.